Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos from moi, okay? So let's get right into this video. So I'm showing you guys how I prep the aloe vera gel to apply it to my hair. If you just want to know how I do that, as well as these are some of the benefits aloe vera gives you, which contains which have enzymes in it. It promotes hair growth, prevents itchy scalp, reduce dandruff, has certain keratin in it, which help with breakage and elasticity. So a lot of good benefits is in this. Okay, so I'm done cutting the aloe vera as you saw. So this is extra slimy. It kind of curls my skin just a little bit, but yeah, slippery is what it is. Okay, but this is aloe vera. The gel is like all over the place right now. I cut the little bottom half. If you see, the struggle was real. My knife was a little dull, but yeah, I cut a couple slices. Let's see how much I can get with these slices, like how much I can apply on my hair with just these slices without cutting anymore. So yeah, we're gonna start on one side of my head. I'm probably trying to start on the side that's closest so you guys can see what I'm doing, and then I will come back with the rest, my hair done, and show you what I do afterwards. And yeah, so let's get right into it. What I'm going to take is my aloe vera and apply it to my roots. Oh my gosh, this feels so crazy. Ooh. And I'm just going to keep parting it so I can get the aloe vera on all my roots. Trying to even go smaller so that I can get it in my hair. So I'm running out of gel, as you can tell, so I'm just gonna poke it some more so I can get the rest of the gel out of there. I am taking out the rest of my hair. I'm gonna get to my ends because I know that aloe vera has a lot of benefits. So yeah. So let's look at the definition. It is real with aloe vera. Oh my gosh. This is So I'm pretty much done with all my head except this one little section. So I wanted to come back on so I could talk while I'm doing this last section of how I feel about it so far. So good putting it on my hair. Okay, so I figured out a way to maximize the use of this aloe vera. I usually take my back of my thumb, or you can take the back of a spoon and just mash it. Like if you mash it, it will like rake. Instead of sticking your finger in it, it will rake and it will come out to be a whole bunch. Like I literally put it upon my hand, mash it, and I'm able to get more things. Like I use this down almost to the skin. So that's a way of kind of maximizing your aloe vera leaf. If you had limited leaves and you just need to get a whole head, like I have a big head, yeah. So look at this. Like, okay, now I never use aloe vera gel, but look at this. The definition, oh my god, it lathers like it's shampoo. Isn't that crazy? All of this power in that one little pan. Like, God is freaking amazing. You hear me? He created a plant like this that gives you all of this. Like, it's crazy. So, yeah, like, it's ridiculous. So I'm just twisting this one up as the last one. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna do a protective style, so I think I might turn that rest of aloe vera into aloe vera gel. I don't know, but oh my god, Bruh, this freaking aloe vera is crazy. It's ridiculous. So kind of uber excited. So this is all my hair done. So what I'm gonna do is get my oil mix. So I don't know if you guys know what's in my oil mix in here. So it's olive oil, African Pride, Mega Rose oil, Black Jamaican castor oil, and it's this new oil by Tropical Isle, Jamaican Strong Root, Red Pinto Hair Growth Oil, and this is also in there. In here, so this is new. I got this from Burlington and trying it out. It's really seems really good. So what I'm gonna do is have all my stuff in here, and I just pop this open, and I'm just gonna put some in the roots of my hair so I can massage section by section. Scratching, I'm using the balls of my fingertips to just go ahead and like give me a little massage. And that's what I'm gonna do throughout the rest of the hair. I just want to come in and pop in and show you guys what I'm gonna do after. So that's exactly how I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna just go through the rest of the whole head and do that, and I'll be right back with the next step I'm gonna do. So I'm done adding my oil mixture to my roots and massage my scalp a little bit. So all I'm going to do is my next step is just go ahead and so what I want to do is just go ahead and put my plastic cap on my head, and I'm gonna leave this on here for a little while because I gotta do other things around the house. So I'm just gonna leave it on maybe an hour or two before I go in and wash my hair so that I can see what the outcome is, because I want to see how much shine or anything that this aloe vera is going to give my hair, because I can see the shine already without even like, it looks pretty shiny. I don't know if because of the oil I may be tripping, but that's a good enough shine already that I can see. But I'm semi excited to see what the results are going to be. So if you guys want to see the results, make sure you stay tuned so you can see how the aloe vera treated my hair. And guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you guys will know whenever I put up videos like this, because you don't want to miss out on all these tips and good stuff. Okay, so yeah, definitely subscribe and follow my social media handles, because I probably take a picture as well, but I also put stuff up on there when I purchase stuff or when I'm saying I'm going to try something and you guys have ideas that you want me to try. Definitely follow me on Instagram, same thing, Ruth_Nanda_, so you guys can, you know, be friends with me and we all be friends and share tips. You know, sharing is caring. So yeah, let me go and finish what I gotta do for the rest of the house and come back and check in after I rinse my hair out, okay? So I want to come in and give you guys my final thoughts on the aloe vera. That thing is godsend, okay? Godsend. I freaking love it. I am going to utilize the rest of it because I am going to put my hair in a protective style, so I'm not going to use it every week for the rest of the week or whatever. So I'm just going to go ahead and use it because I heard people say it goes bad really quick, and I think it does because it's so fresh. So I'm going to create a leave-in. I'm going to create a curling cream so I can use this aloe vera gel so it can help, because it's so freaking good. Like when I made my hair, it was so soft, the curls was popping. That's just by itself, and oil, like, oh my god, yes. So I'm definitely going to, I'm sorry, I'm so oily, I just lotioned the hell out my face. But yeah, I am going to definitely, if you want me to do a video on the DIY on me doing the curling cream and me doing the leave-in using the rest of the aloe vera that I have, give me a thumbs up on this video, as well as let's get this video to 50 views. I'm just trying, you know, guys. you guys can help me out, okay? Get this video to 50 to 100 views. Thumbs up this video. Let me know you're interested in a video like that, because I will go ahead and do that for you guys. I'm gonna film it just in case, but yeah, let's get this video to 100 views and thumbs up this video. Let me know, and down below let me know if there's anything else you want me to try, because I'm all for it, okay? Because I'm trying to grow this hair and protect this hair. So please stay tuned for other videos coming, and definitely subscribe like I said before. And until next time, guys, kisses from me to you. Bye.